Okay, this activity is called square dancing because the four couples arrange themselves into a square. The couple with their back to the music and the couple facing the music are called head couples. Those on the side are called side couples. Each of these couples has a number. Couple number 1 has their back to the music. Couple number 2 is there to their right. Couple 3 is facing the music. And couple 4 is the remaining couple. Where they're standing right now is called what we call home. If I tell the boys to promenade home, this is the place that they would go back to. When you're in the ready position and ready to square dance, notice that the boys have their right palm up and the girls simply put their left palm on top of the boys. We're going to do a thing called circle to the left and circle to the right. Notice the dancers just simply walk in time to the music. Circle to the left. Now circle to the right till you get back home. The name of this call is do-si-do. Dancers, face your partner. They're simply going to pass right shoulders, slide back to back, and they will end up facing their partner. Dancers, do-si-do. And square your set. The name of this call is forward and back. If we have the head couples do this, they simply go into the middle, touch hands with the couple across from them, and then back right out. Heads forward and back. Sometimes the caller will say up to the middle and back. It's the same call. Sides up to the middle, then I come right back. The name of this call is swing. Dancers, face your partner and get into a swing position. Notice that they're right hip to right hip. And in square dancing, you walk forward, only go around one time. Dancers, swing your partner. The name of this call is promenade. In square dancing. Promenade